Welcome to the indices, and here we're looking at the S&P 500. Yesterday we were looking for support on top of 1872, and that's come into play. So we're looking for higher ground with the target at 19 or close to 19 as such through here. The actual trend that we're looking at through here. Yesterday we were looking for a small wave 4 back, and that's come into play. So we're looking for wave 5 up through to here. There's a lot of reporting coming out next week and this week, and it's already sort of started. So that's going to be the catalyst for taking this market higher, but also correcting it as well. So you really need to tune into the reporting season as well. But look, it's positive. There will be selling pressure up through here. And, in the bigger picture, it would be really nice to get some type of nice, once this moves up here, 3, 4, 5, something like this, and we get some sort of correction across here, and to get support on the 1900 here will be a really nice trade up to the 2000 here. It should be pulled up quite swiftly, quite nicely. So that's something to look forward to once we've got support on here. So look for look to do a longer term trade once you're up there, but this will take a while to set up here, and it's probably better off using the futures contracts rather than the spot contracts, because the futures contracts don't come with any overnight financing. The Dow Jones as well. We were looking for a retest back into the 16,500 to look for a buying opportunity, and that's in play. We can see here that this move up here is not complete yet, because this is the third wave here. We've got a series of ones and twos in here, ones and ABC for 2 here, and 1 and 2 and the third. So it will still push up higher, taking the high of this third wave out through here. So still more upside there. So the idea was to buy at 16,500, and you can pretty much bring your stop up into 16,546, maybe even a bit lower, really, if you want to get to higher ground. The DAX, same sort of pattern too on the 2-hour chart here. We're looking for, a wave 4 to pull back in here. I don't think that it's finished just yet. So we're still looking for an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave back into this area here. 3-wave sort of price action here into the 95 area here. So yeah, look, a little move into here, and then a move up into this area up through here. So that would be the catalyst there. Look, of course, if 9,600 becomes a nice support, then of course you need to go long through that, and you'll scale in through group 1, so 96, 10, 20, and 30, and looking up to 9,700 there. At 9,700, that's going to be pretty much over board at that particular stage. Once again, with the FTSE here, we were looking for, our 5-wave structure is basically up for 1 here, back for 2, and we're building up through here. But this also too can still, I got the third wave here, but I know that the third wave can still be over here too, with a larger third wave in through here. But I'm not going to worry about that just yet. You just need to be long above the 6672 here, and look for a classic trading levels pattern across the 97 here, which will be looking for 5 waves up through to here, and then an A and a B and a C across here, and then further up through that way. The ASX 200, I've just been taking a step back and having a look at the daily chart here, and from the 5,000 level here, the move back down through here, we're looking at this as an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As the C wave, that would leave this move up here as wave 1, and then an A and a B and a C back for wave 2 here. Then we'd be looking up for wave 1 here and back for wave 2, and wave 3 would probably take us up to, I think I mentioned 58 in the report this morning, but probably up around the 57 here. But look, basically what we're looking for here is we're looking for basically the 1, the 2, 3, 4, and 5. And in the third wave here, we're looking for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as such in here. So basically we're on quite a good trend, and you know, the banks would support this as well. We've been looking at CBA, and well, the other banks are slightly different. ANZ is leading the pack, then Westpac, then you know, then CBA, and then you've got all the other banks there. But you know, this is the general sort of pattern that's sort of leading the way. You know, there is some other nice trades out there that have been pointed out too, like Woodside's been a favourite. Woolworths will be stuck at 38. Wesfarmers have still got new highs to be made. So there's lots of good, big, solid trades out there to support this move, moving higher through here. With that in mind, just looking into, this is just the 4-hour chart here, which we don't need. Yeah, look, the 62% retrace, the thing's up at 56 there, so that will be a target to reckon with here as such. Let's just move on from that one here. Now look, I've just put this trend that's been moving up through here, I've just put it onto a line chart to see if we can get a better read of it. And even starting from this one here, you know, we're basically looking up for wave 1, back for wave 2. And I think that we've got the third wave in this little high here, because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to here. And then this is all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, that's still one more out. That's 1, 3, 4, 5. I'm still one short here, so sorry about that. We've still got this one up here. This one is here. This one hasn't come into play yet. That's that one there. So we've still got, you know, we've still got some higher ground here. But look, the important thing here in a way is that the 55.30, which is this guy here, that needs to, you know, that needs to come in as support. And the other thing today too is, you know, that Thursday is Thursday's got a habit of well, the normal process is that Thursday's the bear day in a bullish market, and it tends to open higher and close lower. But the thing that we look for is if it is a lower day, closing lower, well then we want to see it close lower on lower volume. So if it's on lower volume, then you can look to well, unfortunately in this case, we've got a holiday tomorrow for the ASX, so nothing sort of done there. But normally would look for lower volume. If there's lower volume today on a down day, then we would be looking to trade long in the afternoon on Thursday, gleaning of some small positions, and then adding to those positions on Friday morning, and seeing how the volume is on Friday afternoon and adding there as well to catch the Monday run, because there will be the profit taking on the next Tuesday. So we've got a bit of a holiday there, so we need to sort of bear that in mind. But we do expect the main point, we expect the Dow Jones up on Friday, so that can be the catalyst to take our market up higher on the Monday. Alrighty, that's it. Thanks for listening.